Been wondering why I'm not getting good entries in the market. Since I started trading, I'm not getting good entries, sniper entry like other trader guys. And some of you may be about to give up. Guys, this video is coming to the right time and you are watching this video on the right time. This is one of the best strategy that I'm going to share with you, to teach you right now in this video. This strategy, you can apply it in all type of market, either it's forex market, gold, all currency pairs. Let's go to synthetic. Those that trade synthetic on the river, this strategy is very good for them. Bitcoin and Nasdaq, this indicator is one of the good indicator that can give you good entry in the market. It looks so simple, but it's not so simple as it looks. It's very good indicator. As you can see it, if you apply the knowledge that I'm going to reveal right now in this video, it's going to change your way of entries, the way you get entries, the way you enter the market. This strategy is going to be the solution to you. Make sure you hit for me that like button, then like the video. If this is your first time you watch this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel so you become part of the community. Make sure you watch this video from the beginning and the end so you understand. If you skip or you watch only first part, guys, you are not going to understand anything that I'm going to reveal in this video. But those that are going to watch until the end, they're the ones that they are going to benefit from this strategy. Make sure you hit for me that like button before we start. So guys, this is a very good indicator. It's just two moving averages that are there to give you entry confirmation and to help you to know, to predict when to hold the market, when to exit, to take profit and all that. Because taking profit is the same as important as entering the market. So those, they are good two type of a trader need to learn when to enter the market, when to exit the market. And with this indicator, this is what is going to help you, to assist you, to guide you in the market. Either you're a beginner, either you're a professional, this is the video for you. Guys, I'm going to delete all this indicator so that we can restart all this. Okay, I'm trading synthetic market right now, and this is the volatility 10 index that I've been buying since yesterday. I also shared this signal in my free VIP signal for synthetic. As I said, I'm having a free group where I don't charge anything. It's just me to give signals for free. All these signals are for free. Make sure you hit the link in the description of this video so you join my daily signals where I share forex signals and everything. About the broker, you find the broker also in the description of this video. So we are going to set the settings before I go further with explanation. You click on the F sign. I'm using MetaTrader 5 on the real. The first settings that we need here is 7 moving average. I mean exponential. Period is 7, shift is 0, method here is exponential, apply to close, color of your choice, and then from there you can, about style, you can put 4 pips, so color of your choice, but change this color into red color. Okay, let me put it to red, and then from there you can click on done. So this is the first indicator that we need, which is our 7 EMA, exponential moving average. Make sure you hit for me that like button there. As you are watching this video, hit for me the subscribe button if it's your first time to watch this wonderful channel where you get all this indicator. It's just up to you to get your time, sit down on your chart, set these settings, learn. It's very simple to master. Even a 5 years old, he can master this indicator. So what about you? Stop losing money in forex. Stop getting those bad entries in the market. By watching this video until the end, you will be able to get good entries from now on. After we added our 7th EMA, we are going again to click on the F sign, click on main chart, look for moving average again, which will be our last moving average. Click on it. Period that we are using here, we have to change it to 17. 17 shift 0. Method here is exponential. Apply to close, color of your choice. But here I have to change this color and put it into blue color, and then style is 4 pips. So click on done. We go back, we are done. Okay, this is exactly the 2 EMA moving averages, exponential moving averages that you need for your entry confirmation, either for swing or intraday trading or scalping trading. These two, they are enough to give you good entry if you are patient and you understand everything that I'm going to explain. So this is the time for me to break it down. I'm going slow by slow. I'm going to reveal all the aspects as a trader to know by these 2 moving average in order for you to be able to trade them profitably, guys. So this indicator, 2 moving averages, as I said earlier, they look very simple, but they are not. These 2 moving averages, they are very good indicator for entry confirmation. Let me start by time frame. These moving averages, you can apply them at 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. For scalper, you can use them 1-minute time frame and 5-minute time frame. You are good. If you want to look for intraday trading entries, look at it 15 to 30-minute time frame. If you are about to swing, look for entries at 1 hour time frame. So there we go, guys. So the first thing with this indicator, you need to know first the direction of the market. Let's go with other assets here. Let's see what is happening with other assets. Here we can see that this market is in a very huge uptrend. Okay, so we already know the direction of this market here is in uptrend. By knowing so, you can also apply, maybe you add a 200 exponential moving average just to assist you with the trend. Let's change the color. Let's put it to yellow. Exponential 200 exponential moving average. So we can see this is our 200 exponential moving average right now. So with this 200 to be below the price, it's indicating that the market is in uptrend. So you can confirm this with higher time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. With 1 hour time frame, we can see that the price is above the 200 EMA, which indicates that the market is in uptrend. So what are we gonna be doing here? We already know the direction of the market. Now we'll be only interested to look for buy opportunity with this by confirming the entry with these 2 moving average. How do we buy? We wait until the red line, which is the 7th moving average, to cross the blue line to go up. There we have a buy confirmation, guys. Okay, the red moving average is our slow EMA, while the blue one, the red one, is the fastest moving average that reacts to the price very, very fast and quick, while this blue one here, it can react to the price very slow. Do we get it, guys? So the question is this: can we buy on any crossover? I'm not teaching you in this video to buy on any crossover that you see you have to buy. No, that is wrong. When do you buy? When do we sell? When you see the moving averages is crossing each other multiple times, the market is ringing, you don't need to buy at all. You don't need to take any action. For example, you can see here, price is moving like this. It's moving like this. Here we have moving average, so there's no any direction here. There's no clear direction. It can buy after 15 minutes, it's drop, go up, some minutes, it's drop again, go up, just like that. It just moving. There's no any direction. Multiple rejection of the price. Here we are. After you see the 3 bearish candlestick and then you see the crossover, then from there you can sell. But do not sell once you can see the price is ringing, even though you see any crossover. Like for example, like right now here we have a ringing market where price been forming the lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows in downtrend. When it's uptrend, it will be forming the higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows in uptrend. So when the price is still doing those movements, you don't need to do anything. You need to stay away until when you see a clear trend is forming or is starting to form, with confirming with those 3 bearish candlestick, and then you can sell immediately. By applying this knowledge, you will be able to master good entry. You won't be guessing anymore, but you will be able to do what you know, to jump in the market at a good time, good moment, and take trade. Guys, stop guessing in the market. Forex is not about guessing, but you do what you know exactly. So I believe this indicator, they are going to serve you very well, and by the end of this video, take your time to practice it. Share with me the feedback about this indicator. If you try this indicator, come in the comment section and give the feedback about it, and then that will really help to motivate to know how the strategy it's been doing for you. And let me see you in the next video.